Oh, oh. Good morning. Ready to start this amazing day, so have a run in New York City Central Park and then let's go for helicopter experience.
Okay, breakfast and then let's run because we have a lot of things to do.
How are you? Everything okay?
Okay, it's good, but we are really late. So
Really late?
yeah, I hope you can help us.
We're okay.
Like good Italians, we arrived really late to the appointment.
Alright, so you guys are super late.
And then we have to pay extra fee to make the flight possible.
Here we are, guys. Everything ready. We are going to the helicopter, and how's the experience?
It's gonna be wonderful.
Let's go!
World Trade Center, the Statue of Liberty.
Oh merda! Esperienze si faccia!
Here we are, we started the amazing experience and whoa, the helicopter takeoff, and at the beginning I was so scared about it, but then after a few minutes I was so confident, and let's enjoy.
Ciao mamma! Ciao papà!
New York City from the sky, it's so amazing, guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow for a crazy home tour in New York City.